Hey guys, Dama here, and today we are celebrating that we're finally on 2018. 2017 is finally out the door. So today I'm gonna show you all of my favorite products from 2017. Some of them were launches during that year, some maybe were kind of old launches, but I just discovered them this year. So let's get started. First things off, I'm gonna talk about my brows. These are always bold and dark, and they are my favorite feature in all of my face. So one of my favorite products from 2017 is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. This product is amazing. If you want to go with a natural look or you want something bold and dark, this is the thing to go to. It's like a mascara one. It comes in 3 different shades: blonde, brown, brunette, kind of dark but not that too dark, and then it comes in Auburn. And the applicator is amazing. It gives you the right amount of product. It glides over, it dries down, and it won't budge. Definitely a must. And talking about products that won't budge is the NYX eyebrow gel tint. I love this to fill in my brows, at least the ends of them, and give them more definition and shape. And this baby, if they take you on a first date to a pool or a beach, these are staying on, okay? So moving onwards, I'm gonna show you my favorite powder of 2017. I discovered this thanks to other YouTubers who always talk about this powder. I like it. It smells like granny perfume, but it's a Coty Airspun loose face powder. It is a perfect powder to do your baking, to set the whole face, and even though it smells weird, it's perfect. It gives you the right amount of sealage, if we can say it like that. And my foundation doesn't budge when I seal it down with this. It's really good powder. I use it to bake. I barely bake, but if I do, this is the one I use. A must in your kit. And if you don't like the smell, because it does smell like grandma, you can obviously get the non-fragrance one. I never found it, but I know it's out there somewhere, so that's another choice. But really, Coty Airspun, best powder so far. Then we're gonna move to bronzer. I love the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Is this baby right here. As you can see, it's almost gone. I need to get one. The color is perfect. It's buttery. When you apply it, it blends perfectly, and it smells like banana with sunscreen and sand and beach. I know it's weird, guys, but yeah, it's a really good bronzer. It really does look natural. It's not that chunky full of glitter. You just have the perfect amount of color and glitter, and it smells nice. That's just a plus. Then we move to the blush. This is a blush that I got it, I think, in 2016, and I haven't stopped using it since then. It's the NYX Umber Blush in the color Strictly Chic. Is this baby right here. I love it because it's an umber color from a dark peach to a really light one, and when you swirl around, it gives you the right and perfect amount of, like, you look flush, you look happy, like you just ate an icy and it gave you a little brain freeze and it made you happy at the same time. Yeah, weird description, guys, but you know, it's obviously a favorite. This is my 3rd one that I got in, and it's definitely a must in your kit also. And if this color is too light or too dark, they do have around 6 different colors, so I really like that about the NYX Ombre Blush line. Then we got concealer. I always had issues with concealer. Either they're creasing, the undertone looks weird on me, but since I got a Photo Focus concealer by Wet n Wild, I have gone through 4. Right now I got 3 open in my shelves because these are definitely a must buy, especially if you're under a budget and you don't want to waste something like the Tarte Shape Tape, which is a little bit expensive. If you're on a budget, this is a good dupe for it. I love it. It's always on my kit. I take it everywhere when I'm gonna do my makeup. I cannot live without it. Definitely a must. Then from Flirt Cosmetics, they launched this year, well, 2017, they launched their Kajal eyeliners, the Rock and Rebel Kajal eyeliners. These came out in two colors, brown and black. I have them both and I love it. First of all, the color glides on perfectly on your eye. It doesn't tug when you pull it and anything. Then the applicator, even though it's big, it applies really nicely and it blends easily. I like that the grip, it comes in this weird kind of shape and it's like fat and then skinny in the end. And when you hold it, it's just the perfect amount of weight. And it's a really good liner. It lasts me all day with no problem. It doesn't get smudged during the day, and that is very important on liners. When you do your makeup, you want it to stay, not budge in the whole day, but you don't know what to use. Don't waste your money on getting a setting spray for $45, $50. Just get the NYX matte finish setting spray. This thing won't budge your makeup at all. It will last all day during sweat, rain, apparently car crashes from a review I read. But I have used this since I got it on the NYX Face Awards, and guys, this product is one of the best setting sprays I have ever bought. And the best thing, it will not break your wallet. It will not make your husbands hide their credit cards, because it's a good price. You can get it at the drugstore or at the NYX store, so that's a plus. And now we are almost in the end, so we're gonna talk about lip products. I have two lipsticks that I always go to. I have the NYX Lip Luster. This one is in the color Rustic Mirage. I like this lipstick because it lasts a long time. They go smooth, they smell really good, and these, even though they won't budge, they don't dry down completely. So that's really good for somebody like me that has dry lips. And the color is just amazing. The pigmentation is brilliant. Look at that. That looks amazing, guys. And one coat, that's all you need. You don't need multiple coats to get the color right. And talking about colors, if you feel bold and sexy and seductive and you just want to wear red everywhere, I would recommend getting the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint in the color Uncensored. It comes in a beautiful packaging. I got this for Christmas for myself, and I was lucky because it was the last one they had. The applicator, the color, the bottle, everything is amazing. It's highly pigmented. I wore this at the store at 1 p.m. and got home about 10 p.m. and the lipstick was still on. It didn't budge at all, even though it does not dry down completely and it can get a little bit of runny through the lips, or if you do this or something, it can move around a bit. But you know what? It's definitely worth it. The pigmentation, the formula, color, smell, everything is good about it. This is a definitely must-have. It's a universal red, so that means everybody can wear this color red. That's the best thing. And Rihanna, really, you did a great job with this lipstick. It's worth the price, and you can get it at your local Sephora if you didn't know that, or online. And now for honorable mentions. These are products that I use, I like, I don't love. They're not my top fave, but I cannot seem to stop grabbing them and using them all the time. So first things off, we got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This foundation is amazing. It has gone through rigorous testing by Wet n Wild, so it's actually a photo focus foundation. You can use it with multiple different lighting and it will still look amazing. The smell is kind of a turn off, but the payout of color, pigmentation, and how it looks and applies is definitely worth it. Then we have the NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. This has easily replace my Milk primer. I really like this one. It goes on well, but it doesn't play well with all of my foundations, but it's really a good primer. Then we have the Flirt dot 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 eyeliner art pen. I really like this because it's a dual tip eyeliner. It's a liquid form. It comes with a tip applicator, brush tip applicator that is really skinny. The color comes up really well, but a turn down is that I have to sometimes pass a little bit over it when it dries down, so it's really completely black. But another thing that I love is that it comes with a brush side, but it also comes with a dotting tool at the other side, so I can do circles. Let's do a dito, smiley face there. You see? That easy. Just dot dot. And I can make smiley faces in my face if I want. But I really like this tool because if you are learning how to do liner, a good tip is that you dot a couple of dots where you're gonna pass the liner and then connect the dots with the other side. So this is a really good liner. I really like it. And I like that I can shake the product inside and it has the little balls that help the pigmentation work completely well. Then this product is amazing. I would love it even more if it came in a non-waterproof formula, but the Luminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal is amazing. It's really good. It makes my lashes look long. It lasts me all day, but I'm really a person that doesn't use mascaras that much, and I don't like waterproof mascaras. It's so hard for me to take them off. So if L'Oreal makes one, please do. That's not waterproof. That's definitely going on my top shelf products because this mascara is amazing. And fun fact, it's a good dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that costs a hefty amount of price when this one is $11, but you can get it for about $8 with coupons on drugstores, so that's pretty good. So guys, those are my 2017 favorite products of the year. I hope you like this video. I know it's fun to just take all of my makeup out and sit down and really think, what did I love about last year's makeups? And you know what? I'm curious, what were your favorite 10 products? Or if you had more or less favorite products, let me know on the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and see you around in my next video.